Hello and welcome to an Oracle Plus Training as a Service video snippet. Learn to use and configure Oracle's Fusion Cloud applications in minutes, not hours. Hello and welcome to the Purchase Requisitions sneak peek video. This video presentation takes a quick look at the Purchase Requisitions functional work area or application. So as you can see here, we're on the Procurement Cloud offering, and we're going to go into the Purchase Requisition application, or what they call functional work area. When we get into that functional work area, we're taken right into the UI that helps us with making purchasing decisions. Really, once we're here, there's no task panel. This is the very what you see is what you get WYSIWYG page, and it allows us to do one of 8 different things or processes to add. 7 of those add rec lines to a cart, and one of them pushes this out into another area. So let's quickly walk through what those different 8 different methods are, and then we'll just create a rec real quickly. All right, so first up, we'll kind of clockwise, if you will. First up, 1, shopping lists. Shopping lists are groups of items. They could either be public shopping lists or private shopping lists. I think I had that backwards. So I can create the shopping list here, or I can see public and private. This tells me how many different items are inside a given shopping list. So that's 1. 2, I can do what's called free-form request entry, and I can use some of these different, for example, creating a non-catalog item, if you will. And so it will bring up a series of free-form fields, and I can complete those fields, and then by submitting the completed fields, adding them to my cart, I would add those to my cart. So that's number 2 way that I can add items to my cart in preparation for checking out. Number 3 is I can search on anything, say for example, printers. And the purpose is that Fusion would go and find all the catalog items for printers. I could take any of those, and then I could add them to my cart. So that's the 3rd way. 4th, I can shop by category. And so as you can see, there's a number of different categories here, and I can select one of those categories or some other subcategory, and it brings all of the items. So these are local catalog items, could be smart forms, other, and it brings them into view so I can again add them to my cart. So that's the 1, 2, 3, 4th way. The 5th way is in top categories, very similar to shop by category here, but when I'm in top categories, I can sneak a punch out here. And so that allows me to direct users to a punch out, in this case, Amazon. So that's the 5th method, right? So we've got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other categories here, 6. Over here, we have request forms. So request forms are very similar. When we saw up here, I search and I didn't have something and I would do non-catalog request. We had a couple of base fields. So let me quickly show that. And so what happens is you can take these base fields in this non-catalog request form, right? Which you see right here. And let's go ahead and say done. I can add some custom fields. So let's take a look at the business card, title or name or number. I can add these custom fields to the generic non-catalog request fields, and that's called a smart form. So that's number 7. And like I said, there's 7 ways that I can add to cart, and 1 that I can get pushed into a different reservation portal at Hertz, or I can even display what you see down here, different policies. This is information and tips. It's simply a way to point the user or requester to a different URL. Oracle sets theirs up just to see the main Oracle page, but you get the idea, right? So come back into here. Those are the 8 different methods, and it's a quick application walkthrough or sneak peek of the Purchase Requisition functional work area. That's it. Thank you for watching.